getting some wind therapy in. Oh, finally. It's about time. Yeah, and run it. Run that shit. What's going on, everybody? Oh, I haven't got to the giveaway, as you guys could see. You know, life stuff happening. My buddy had another seizure and fell out the other day. Well, it wasn't the other day, it was more like last week. Well, it was on the 13th, actually. Getting stuff from his ex-wife's house and get back to his place and unloading the truck, and next thing you know I hear him grunting. I look over and he's laying on the ground all stiff, having a seizure. So yeah, so I've had a little bit of stuff going on lately, so haven't had a chance to do the giveaway yet, but I haven't forgot about anybody and the giveaway. Oh, did they actually stop? I'll be damned. But yeah, I will be doing the giveaway here shortly. I have to airbrush something up. I don't know what I'm going to airbrush yet, but I'm going to try to get to it this weekend. Get that done so I can get this giveaway done. I was supposed to have it done like I don't know, 2-3 weeks ago now. I will get it done, I promise you folks, I will get it done. Uh-oh, is that somebody getting ready to fight? Somebody getting ready to bust it up? Uh-oh. It's getting real over there. It's about to get real. Rockford, man. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Check this thing out. GSX 1300. Check that thing out. I wonder if this is Pete's. That is crazy looking. I bet that thing hauls ass.